Today want to show you the dryer for clothes. It's not working, no have no electrician and no power, no start, nothing. But it's plug in the wall with electrician, but still not working. So today I wanna try fix it. So I hopefully I'll get fix it. So I'm not expert for this work, but if I call a repair person, he will charge me like a new dryer. But I try and fix myself. So first I gotta do is I take it off out the cover for the panel and the screws or everything that's we take it out the cover for electrician. Before you start work with this the dryer, make sure you unplug it, because if you don't plug it you have get electrocuted, so it's a problem. So best thing you do, first thing, unplug it before you start work with this work, this job. Let's take out the cover and we check out what's going on here, what's the problem. It's no electrician, it's not working, nothing at all. You can easily be careful with the wires. If you cut any wires, it's a problem. So here is I have a tester to check out the wires and everything okay. So let's go check with this tester. So first, before I go start use the tester, we check it out, make sure working before we start tester the fuse for that dryer. Okay, it's working. So now we check the fuse for the heat fuse. No, it's the let's check it out, the heat fuse first. Where's the heater? The heat come from? Like I get dry you clothes, heat the heatings. So that's why we check it out first, make sure it's working. Let's go close with the tester. The tester says working, so this fuse for the heat work. So that's number one test. Number two, we go test the start button. Sometimes the start button is not working, so this is the problem too. So before you go do that, we type a tape. We make sure you is connect with that work with the tester. Now we check it out with the tester. If we show off some numbers, means work too. Yep, that starting button is work too. So this number 2 testers. So number 3 tested. We check it out the fuse, the main, where the first, the main, the power, the electrician come to. This fuse here very important, protect the whole dryer. Any problem with electrician, show you everything. Let's go test this fuse. This fuse 0. Look like it's not working. No, it's not working. So right now we find out is this fuse not working. So I guess we find out what's the problem with this dryer. So first we take out the screws, everything. We go replace it. So I have some new one in, so it's not expensive online, and or you get somewhere with the location. This is the old one and this is the new one, so we go replace it. We put back the same area where it's come from. Okay, now it's already connecting, already installed. So we put back the wire in the same place. That's it. So now we got to do is we put back the cover, everything. Make sure put back same was before. We put back the panel, cover panel too. I hope you like this video. Comment and subscribe. Okay, now I get installed already, so then we go test that out how it's working right now. So I make a test, I make a try on. Let's see how fixed it is. Let's go do it. Excellent. Working. Start back on. It's working. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.